Utilizing key business analysis concepts. Utilizing key business analysis concepts involves identifying and analyzing an organization's needs and devising strategic solutions to meet those needs effectively. By employing techniques such as SWOT analysis, market research, and process modeling, businesses can better understand their internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. This comprehensive approach ensures informed decision-making, optimized operations, and improved overall performance. Ultimately, leveraging these concepts fosters innovation, enhances competitive advantage, and drives sustainable growth.
Recognizing BA underlying competencies. Have you ever considered what contributes to your success as a business analyst? There are numerous factors, but one crucial aspect that isn't explicitly tested on the CBAP exam is competencies. Competencies encompass the behaviors, characteristics, knowledge, and personal qualities that influence how effectively you perform business analysis tasks. While many of these competencies are not exclusive to business analysis, they are still vital. They are divided into 6 fundamental categories: analytical thinking and problem solving, behavioral characteristics, business knowledge, communication skills, interaction skills, and tools and technology. It's beneficial to familiarize yourself with these categories and the specific competencies within each. Refer to your BABIC guide as needed to ensure accuracy. Listing these elements without looking can be a valuable study technique to identify areas needing improvement. For each competency, focus on its purpose and importance, its definition within the context of business analysis, and how you can measure your proficiency. As you compile your CBAP application and document your work experience, reflect on the competencies that have been essential to your success. Utilize the worksheet in your exercise files to review and understand these competencies thoroughly. Now, take some time to review and reinforce your knowledge of the competencies necessary for a successful business analyst. Differentiating the BA perspectives. Business analysis professionals excel in adapting their methodologies to the specific context in which they operate. This means that they modify their approach based on their environment. The BABIC Guide outlines 5 key perspectives that illustrate how business analysis work is customized for different initiatives. A perspective serves as a focal point for your business analysis efforts. The perspectives provided in the BABIC Guide are not exhaustive, and you may need to employ multiple perspectives on a single project. Understanding how to tailor your approach is crucial when it comes to perspectives. Start by examining the scope of the change. Consider the breadth of its impact on the enterprise and the levels of authority involved. Each change initiative is unique, so it's important to clearly define the value that will be delivered. Determine how you will achieve this value and identify the critical success factors. Next, define the scope of your business analysis work. Clearly identify your change sponsor and the target of your change efforts to maintain focus. Consider your role as a business analyst in the change effort, outlining the activities you will perform and the outcomes you aim to produce. Choose methodologies and techniques that are best suited for the situation, and consider any specific competencies required for the initiative. The BABIC Guide offers valuable examples to help you tailor your business analysis work and select appropriate techniques. Pay special attention to the section on the impact on knowledge areas, which discusses how different perspectives influence business analysis tasks and techniques for successful outcomes. Remember, the perspectives in the BABIC Guide will not be directly tested, but understanding the key aspects of tailoring your business analysis approach is essential. Utilize the worksheet provided in the course to explore different perspectives you might encounter in your work. Becoming comfortable with these considerations will also aid you in effectively answering exam questions. Understanding the BA vocabulary. When preparing for your CBAP certification, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with various scenarios and the key vocabulary associated with them to accurately assess each question. While terms like business analysis and business analyst might be straightforward, it's also important to differentiate between enterprise and organization. These terms won't be directly tested, but they'll appear in scenarios, so focus on their proper usage. Another essential set of terms includes requirements and design. Be clear that requirements address the needs, while designs focus on the solutions. As the business analysis field has evolved, designs have gained prominence. This doesn't mean you're creating technical solutions, rather, you're guiding their direction. Understanding the relationship between requirements and design is vital. Additionally, don't overlook plans and risks, as they are integral to change efforts and can either facilitate or hinder value delivery. Reflect on your own experience with planning and risk analysis when working on your CBAP application. The BABIC guide also introduces a requirement schema typical in business analysis, which, while not directly tested, may appear in scenarios. Familiarize yourself with the different types of requirements: business, stakeholder, solution, and transition requirements. Moreover, knowing the definition of various stakeholders is important. While not explicitly tested, recognizing who you'll work with on each task helps in accurately analyzing scenario questions. Finally, thoroughly review the glossary of terms in the BABIC guide. It's comprehensive, and understanding these terms enhances your grasp of the scenarios and exam questions. Mastering these key terms, definitions, requirements, structures, and relationships within their context will significantly contribute to your success on the exam.
Thanks for joining our video. Would you be interested to know more? Please contact us to www.iCertGlobal.com or email to info@iCertGlobal.org.